home sweet home. Home sweet home. Hey, I can't believe me get fuck up a my yard. Foreign did nice, but me now I'm a miss my little island. Welcome to Jam Rock. Yow, pow, pow.
You're heading back to Jamaica, Missy.
Yes, man. My flight to reach and I can't wait for touchdown a yard again. Hey, as soon as me reach, me buy a jerk chicken. Crazy.
That's nice, man. But remember, say you fill out the C5 farm before you reach.
C5 farm. Oh, you mean the passenger declaration form you used to fill out on the plane?
Yes, man. But you don't have to wait on the plane again. You can do it online now for free.
Jamaica gone digital, me love. Hey, hey. For real? After me never know that.
You just go on the website www.enterjamaica.gov